So a bit of a programming change here on the world of free-to-air KU-band free satellite TV. InfoWars, which was on Galaxy 16, 99 West, has now moved to 105 West. So InfoWars has moved to 105 KU-band, AMC 15, and EchoStar 105. Transponder frequency 11,924. Horizontal polarity, and the symbol rate is 3675. It may be off like a frequency or two if you blind scan it in on your free-to-air satellite receiver. I think I did a scan on my meter and it was like 11,925. But just lock into this and it should come in. I'm getting a pretty good signal here in Ontario. But I am also picking this up on my 4-foot dish. So I've heard some people saying they were having issues picking it up. I'm getting a pretty solid 80% signal quality here. So, yeah, just a programming note for InfoWars. It appears to be going out at 1080, 1080, I would assume it's 1080p resolution, which is a step up. But the bit rate here looks like, I don't know, it's moving around from 1 to maybe 3 here. So, picture's looking good. I did notice the other day it went off of Galaxy 16. I was like very concerned. Oh, I hope it's going to come back up. So they have moved. It is March, the beginning of March. So that it tends to be satellite contracts change up at the beginning of a month, and people who uplink. And I don't think InfoWars intends for their signal to be on free-to-air. I think they're on cable systems. I do wish Alex would announce on his show, maybe even give me a shout out. That'd be awesome. I've been listening to InfoWars for 20 years, over 20 years. Just about how you can view InfoWars on free-to-air satellite with a KU-band satellite dish, which is pretty much you can pick it up with a 34-inch KU-band satellite dish, quite possibly smaller, but that all depends on the area which you're located at. So with this program change, I actually have a dish just fixed for this feed to follow the call-in shows and the news. I do enjoy the programming that is on InfoWars. They have a show called The American Journal on at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, hosted by Harrison Smith, that has live call-in and daily news reports. And then it's followed by Alex Jones, who comes on at 12 o'clock Eastern Time. And he does the Alex Jones Show, the infamous Alex Jones Show. And then after that, at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it's followed by the War Room, hosted by Owen Schroyer. So truly is the tip of the spear when it comes to news. It will report, I find watching this, they will report on things before other mainstream outlets will be covering. So anyway, it's a good feed to have, a good addition to free satellite TV for viewing options. He's in the main studio. He has changed up studios, and there has been... So the rumors of InfoWars' demise has been greatly exaggerated. The whole thing that happened with the mainstream media was saying that the Onions bought it and it shut down, but over the last month or so, Alex Jones has been... continuing on with InfoWars. I think he has 2 studios now, and he's gone through all that legal stuff on his own platform, band.video, and I believe he's on X and other places. I do think though that YouTube should reinstate his channel, because I remember watching Alex Jones way back in 2006. And he would post stuff when he was covering the Bilderberg meeting in 2007, 2008, whenever that was. I went out today and moved my satellite dish to 105 West, which only has this one channel on it at this time. Maybe they could add other channels to 105 West. Maybe they're giving a better rate for free satellite TV. Because for an uplinker, I do believe Alex was paying, as he would say on his show, I think sometimes the figure was $30,000 a month for his 720p feed on InfoWars. Now he's moved to this satellite where he does have a 1080p uplink. So hopefully we have a bright future for InfoWars. So this is my video on this topic. It's just a quick video noting the program change. Hopefully you can let me know in the comments. Do you hate InfoWars? Tell me why. Explain why. I really like hearing that explanation. If you love InfoWars, let me know. I'd like to hear that in the comments. If you're not going to watch this, well then just don't watch it if you don't like it. If you do enjoy it, I do find it, in my experience, I do find it's an entertaining way to watch the news. It's informative yet entertaining at the same time. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please give this video a like and some kind words in the comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe to all my social media and click on the bell to get notified when new videos are available. If you found these videos helpful or just enjoy them for the entertainment, please consider supporting this video work either with Patreon, PayPal donate. There is a link in the description of this video. Or you can click on the heart-shaped thanks button on this video and send funds to support these videos through there.